Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the gas cylinder and the question of whether the gas cylinder can be laid down when in use. We encounter this question quite frequently, primarily due to the fact that the gas cylinder doesn't fit within the cabinet space under the gas grill, or because the spatial situation simply doesn't allow for it in any practical manner. That the gas cylinder stands here, but that it would be more comfortable if the gas cylinder were lying down. And please pay very close attention now, always position the gas cylinder so that it stands upright and cannot topple over. You should never extract gas from a cylinder that is laying down. And why would that be? Inside the propane and butane gas cylinders, there exist two phases. At the bottom, you'll find liquefied gas, which then evaporates and creates a gas cushion above it. This gas cushion can be used to supply equipment like gas grills, gas cooktops, or even various other gas-powered appliances, for instance. It becomes problematic when the gas cylinder is lying down, and not only is gas taken from the gas cushion, but liquid gas could flow through the gas cylinder valve into the line, and ultimately to the gas appliance. This can cause significant harm to both the hose line and the gas appliance, and in the worst possible case, also to people and the environment. In summary, always position the gas cylinder in such a way that it stands upright and is unable to fall over, and avoid drawing from a horizontal gas cylinder for the sake of saving space or aesthetics. Thank you very much for your attention and support. We'd be genuinely delighted if you could give the video a thumbs up or consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.